In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request and grant Collaborator access in Shopify. First, if you own the store and need to share access, start by signing in to your Shopify admin. Once you're in, head to Settings, usually located in the bottom left corner of the admin screen. From there, open Users and Permissions. Look for the Collaborator section where Shopify lists Collaborator access options and your unique Collaborator code. If you don't see a code right away, there will be an option to generate one. Go ahead and create it. This code is the secure key the person requesting access needs, so make sure it's generated only when you're ready to share it. After you have the code, copy it, and make sure you also copy your full Shopify store URL. Send both the Collaborator code and your exact store URL to the person who will request access. When you send them, confirm the URL is correct and that you're sending it through a trusted channel. Now, for the person requesting access, sign in to your Shopify partner account. From your dashboard, navigate to Stores and choose Add Store. When prompted for store type, select Manage Store to indicate that you're requesting access to someone else's store. Enter the store URL provided by the store owner, and then paste the Collaborator request code they gave you. In the Permissions section, carefully select the access levels you need. It's good practice to request only the permissions necessary for the tasks you'll perform, which helps protect the store owner's data and reduces the chance of accidental changes. You can also add a short message to explain why you need access or what you'll be working on. A clear message makes it easier for the owner to approve your request quickly. When everything looks right, click Save to submit the request. After you submit the request, the store owner will receive a notification letting them know someone has requested Collaborator access. They'll need to review the requested permissions and approve the request before you can access the store. If approval takes longer than expected, follow up with the owner using the same contact method you used to share the code. Finally, once access is granted, double-check that the permissions match what was requested and communicate any next steps so both parties stay on the same page.